Hello everyone. So this is the video for testing the newly bought helmet mount and the chin strap. This is my bike. So this is going to be my first moto vlogging video, even though it's for testing my chin strap and mount. So the basic testing that I have to do here is the stability, like how stable the video is going to be. Right, I have set video quality to be 1080 pixels because in my phone at 4K 60 fps or 4K 30 fps I do not have a wide angle, so the quality of the video might be little less, but here I can see the quality of the video is good, not that bad. Seriously, I have added After Effects, a little bit of filtering and all those things, but video looks quite impressive. So I must appreciate the helmet mount and the strap that I bought for my helmet. So those are doing a good work here. One more thing that I should appreciate is my mobile. So the quality of this video is not too bad and not too good. What I can see here is it's quite impressive. It is the video that I can upload on any platform, right, after a fair bit of video editing. So here the one thing, the one positive thing is I've just told you guys. So there are a couple of things that I wanted it to be better. One is the practical experience of mine, having done this ride of 5 minutes. What I have experienced is whenever you are putting a mobile holder on front of your helmet, and if your mobile is a little overweight or little heavy, your helmet will put all the weights, or it will take all the weights on the front of your helmet and it will push it down, right? It kind of annoys you, because what happens is you then have a pressure on your skull because helmet is coming down, and then it troubles kind of, because helmet is not sitting proportionally. See here, I was around 60 70s, but I think my phone has done a good job here. I really appreciate that. A little bit of lag here, but yeah. So one more point is the angle of my phone. So I have to little work on setting up the proper angle, because you get to know what angle you have set the phone only after when you're editing or when you are seeing the video. So that's the one thing. Probably with experience I might do a little better work. So right now for me, these are the two things. I need advice or suggestion from you guys, what I can do for the so that I can redistribute the weight of the phone, or any way that I can set up phone in a different way that will reduce the pressure on my skull. Or maybe see, the problem is I can ride for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour mostly, but when you're on a long ride and you want to create memories by recording, right, and create content probably for that matter, so that time you can't ride for 10-12 hours with this kind of uncomfortable situation. So I would really request you guys, whoever experienced in moto vlogging thing, please suggest me what I can do better, because I don't think I'll be able to continue this way. So I need to find a different way for it. So let's see what I can think of it, but I would require your suggestions on it. Yeah, I feel overall the quality is good. Overall the video has come really good. Stability is good. I would put the helmet mount and chin strap link in the description of this video. I would really request you to support, and yeah, I just keep loving, keep spreading the love. See you guys in the next video.